Hey, John, I was eating today down at our favorite little spot, El Parral. And guess who I saw going up the road? You ain't going to believe it.
Who?
I saw a little yellow Baja with a Mustang engine in it.
Oh, Nick.
Nick's been broke down for a month.
Well,
You know how it ain't air cooled, it's water cooled. You know how that goes. Yep, he said, so I called him up. And I asked him, so you come to work today? He said, yeah, I'll be there in just a little while. I said, okay. And so, anyway, he said, guess what was wrong with it? I said, oh, he said, jump timing. He said the distributor jumped out the hole. And so he said he put it back in there and turned it around a little bit and finally got it back in time, cranked up.
he probably didn't have it tight.
Hey, wait a minute, listen. You hear that? I believe he comes. Here he
Here
comes.
comes Nick.
Here comes Nick. Let's go see it. Now, we got to rib him a little bit about that distributor. Right?
Ford in the Volkswagen.
Yeah, come on. Let's see that little Mustang engine. Yeah, we heard you coming. Okay. Yep, he finally got that thing back together. Hey, man, look down at that tag. What is that holding it on?
He got them zip ties on there. That's his speed tie.
Ask him about it. Ask him.
The proper terminology is cable ties.
Oh, cable tie.
They even got a special puller to tighten them up. But,
Was that metric or is that standard?
Oh, those are metric. Those are authentic German zip ties.
I got you now. Yeah, I like.
What about this ratchet strap right here? Is it German made?
Is that a?
It's German made. It's just for extra reassurance. Make sure that radiator don't jump out of there because all the extra horsepower.
Oh yeah. So when you're doing a wheelie, that's so they won't fly back and hit the next car. And if it does fly back, it snatches it back in place, right?
Oh yeah, that thing. I don't think she does wheelies that often, but we're getting there.
That's a Mustang motor, right?
Oh yeah, my buddy was V8 swapping his Fox Body Mustang, and I helped him get the motor out. And when my Volkswagen motor quit on me, I threw that motor on the back with an adapter plate, and she got 100 horsepower, but she needs to be faster there.
Yeah. Well, did he know you took the motor, or did you take it when he wasn't looking?
No, he knew I took the motor.
Oh, okay.
I could have probably snuck it out from under. But hey, she got good heat though.
Got good? Yeah, we don't have no heat. You gotta say it.
Oh yeah, that's about the biggest advantage it has.
Yeah, she looks good.